or AI, has been a topic of fascination and concern for decades. From science fiction to reality, the rise of AI has been nothing short of remarkable. The invention of computers and the birth of the digital age. From early mechanical calculators to the first electronic computers, we have been on a journey to create machines that can think and learn like humans. With the help of advanced robotics and machine learning algorithms, AI is transforming industries and revolutionizing the way we live and work. From manufacturing to healthcare, transportation to finance, AI is being used to optimize processes, increase efficiency, and reduce costs. Not just about improving existing industries. AI is also enabling new possibilities, from virtual reality and augmented reality to autonomous vehicles and space exploration. As machines become more intelligent and human-like, the lines between man and machine are blurring. But with this rise of AI comes new challenges and ethical questions. The power of AI to collect and analyze data has raised concerns over privacy and security. And as AI becomes more sophisticated, there are fears about job displacement and the potential for machines to outsmart and even control us. But with the right regulations and safeguards in place, AI has the potential to unlock new frontiers of knowledge and understanding, and to help us tackle some of the world's biggest challenges, from climate change to disease. The rise of AI is a story that is still unfolding, but one thing is clear: the future will be shaped by the machines we create.